Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase mobile traffic with Google Search Console step by step clearly. Open Google Search Console on your device. Log into your account. Select the property for your website from the dashboard. Navigate to the Performance tab on the left sidebar. Scroll down to find the mobile filter and click on it. Review the mobile performance data. Take note of key metrics such as clicks, impressions, and average position. Check for any specific queries driving mobile traffic. Use this information to identify high-performing keywords. Click on pages to analyze which mobile pages receive the most traffic. Focus on the top-performing mobile pages. Evaluate their click-through rate and average position. Take note of pages with high impressions but low clicks. Consider optimizing these pages for better performance. Go to the coverage report in the left sidebar. Look for any mobile-related errors or warnings. Resolve any issues listed to improve mobile indexing. Next, navigate to the Enhancements section. Check for mobile usability issues reported in this area. Address any problems that could hinder user experience. Explore the Core Web Vitals report for further insights. Ensure that your mobile pages meet loading speed and responsiveness standards. Use the insights from these reports to inform your optimization strategy. Implement on-page SEO improvements on identified pages. Focus on title tags, meta descriptions, and content optimization. Consider adding structured data to enhance visibility. Regularly monitor your mobile performance data over time. Adjust your strategy based on the insights gathered. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.